Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to share screen on WhatsApp video call on PC. Open WhatsApp on your PC. You can find it by searching in the Start menu. If WhatsApp isn't installed, download it from the Microsoft Store and install it on your PC. Launch WhatsApp and select any chat with the person you want to video call. Click on the video call icon to initiate a video call with your contact. Once your contact answers the call, look for the arrow icon in the call toolbar and click on it. If you want to share your computer's audio during the screen share, check the box that says Save My Choice for next time and then click on Share Audio. A window will appear where you can choose what to share. Select your entire screen, a specific application window, or a Chrome tab, then click OK. Your screen will now be shared with the person on the call. They will be able to see everything you do on the share screen or application window. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.